Hey, what's up and welcome to the video. So in today's video we will talk about how making money with Instagram works, and in this module inside the IG Black Box we will in general talk about different strategies, like in total like 5 or 6 or 7 strategies that you can use to make money with Instagram. We will talk about the CC formula or strategy, we will talk about the $500 per month strategy, the DP strategy, the CCX strategy, the MR strategy, the affiliate marketing strategy, and the $1,000 per week strategy. And I will just show you different things and all these different strategies, and I will also give you hacks, tips, tricks, and hacks that you can basically use to, in general, make money with Instagram. So we will not just talk about the strategies, but we will talk about also, we will also talk about selling stuff on Instagram, like different strategies, how it works, how selling something or how in general persuasion works, and what you can do on Instagram, like inside the Instagram feed, inside the story, inside the DMs, just everywhere, to sell stuff, right? Okay, so yeah, in general, when it comes to selling something on Instagram, like the most important thing that you have to take care of or do is that you have to not use logic to sell something. Sure, you also have to use logic, but what you have to do is you have to use emotions, right? Because what makes this sale and what makes people purchase something is not some logical stuff, right? People purchase something because of emotions, and then they use logic to justify their purchase. And then just to give you an example, like this is the sales page of the Instagram University 3.0, and on that sales page you can see that on the top what I have is, sure, I have the headline, I have the video, and I have all this good stuff, but then I have a very, very, very long part, right? This part where I just tell a story, and that story expresses or shows or gives people emotions, okay? I have pictures, I have the story and all that good stuff, and that is basically, or I use that story to transfer emotions. And after that, I use logic, like for example, right here, this like overview, look, people read this whole story, right? And then with that story or through that story or within or while reading that story, they emotionally buy into that opportunity, okay? And that's the next thing I want to teach you, right? Or that you have to learn or like think about, and that you need to know when it comes to selling something. You don't sell a product. Okay, what you have to do is you have to sell a new opportunity. And the new opportunity, for example, that I sell with the Instagram University 3.0 is Instagram. Okay, so I show people, okay, you can use the opportunity Instagram to make money online, right? And I don't really sell my product. I sell people that new opportunity, and once they believe that they can use that new opportunity, which is Instagram, to make money or to in general like reach their goals, that's when they then buy my product because I offer it to them, okay? So what you have to do is you have to, by using emotions, sell a new opportunity to people, and you can then take any product and put that in front of those people, and they will purchase it, okay? So if I would, for example, on my Instagram account, now instead of selling the Instagram University 3.0, sell coaching calls, or sell one-on-one mentorings, or sell, I don't know, like a physical book, people would purchase this because those people who follow me on Instagram, they already bought into, or they are already inside the new opportunity Instagram, okay? I already persuaded them, I already sold that opportunity to them, and they already believe and think, or like most of them actually do it, that Instagram is like an opportunity for them to make money, right? So I can then take any product and just place it in front of them, they will purchase it, or like a few people, or lots of people will purchase it, right? And that's what you have to do. So step number 1 is you have to pick the new opportunity that you want to offer to people. It can be Instagram, it can be making money with Instagram, it can be making money with YouTube, it can be making money with email marketing, it can be affiliate marketing, it can be, if you're in the fitness industry, it can be, I don't know, like a yoga plan or whatever, right? So yeah, think about it. That's step number 1 is what is your new opportunity, and what is the opportunity, the vehicle that you want to like give people, right? That you want to then sell a product with, right? So that's step number 1 is, okay? Think about what kind of new opportunity you can offer to people, and then what you only have to do is you have to use emotions, and we will talk about exactly how that works inside the next few videos. You then just have to use emotions and a little bit of logic, and yeah, you will then be able to make sales. Okay, and inside the next few videos, we will talk about different sales strategies, what you can sell, how it works, and we will deep dive into how actually persuasion and selling on Instagram works. And yeah, what I also wanted to do, like just a few minutes ago, you know, I showed you this like story or this long part of the sales page, and I said, look, all this is emotions, right? The whole sales page is basically emotions. Sure, we have some logic part on it and stuff, but lots of the sales page is purely emotions, right? And then when people click this button, then I give them logic, like this big overview, testimonials, and all that good stuff, so that they can so that people then can like justify their emotional purchase with logic, right? Because look, if someone, for example, buys a Lamborghini, the only thing that a vehicle does, like that a car does, is it brings you from point A to B. Okay, so why would someone spend like 300 grand on a Lamborghini to buy it? It's because of emotions, because of status, because they maybe want other people to see that they have a Lamborghini, maybe because of girls and women's, whatever. But for example, a Lamborghini is just a very good example to show you like what that is with the emotional purchase and the logical purchase and stuff like that. And the same as on Instagram. Like if you sell a product, you don't sell it through logic. You sell it by emotions, and you then give people like a little bit of logic. For example, okay, they get access to 42 video lessons, to 6 modules, to 6 exclusive bonuses. They get instant access. They have a 6-day money-back guarantee. Blah blah blah. Use that logic so that people can use that logic to justify the emotional purchase that they just did. Right? Okay, so yeah, that's it for the video. We talked about that you have to first of all pick the new opportunity that you want to offer people. You then have to use emotions, which you can express by storytelling and by lots of different things. But we will talk about all that inside the next few videos, and just use a little bit of logic. Okay, so take a pen, take a paper, write that down. Think about what your new opportunity is that you want to offer people. That new opportunity should obviously be like in the red line that you have on your Instagram account, right? So if you, for example, like on your Instagram account have the red line that you, for example, post stuff about fitness, you then shouldn't sell a product or a new opportunity that you teach people how to make money with Instagram, right? So think back, what is the AVR formula that you use? Okay, you use the A to grab people's attention, you use the V, the vehicle, and the value, like you bring value about a specific new opportunity, or like also called vehicle, and you then build relatability by telling stories, okay? So inside like the Instagram module, as we talked about the AVR formula, and the AVR formula basically, like if you use it in your Instagram story, you will then always be able to make sales. Because with the A, you grab people's attention emotionally by showing them the dream life or the result that they want to have. Then you bring value around the new opportunity that you offer people. So my new opportunity is Instagram, so I bring value around that new opportunity, and then I tell some stories and build relatability, and that's how the sale happens, okay? And those are actually the 3 steps that you can use to sell anything, any new opportunity, okay? Grab people's attention by showing the dream life, or by in general showing the life that they will have when they reach the specific goal that they have. You then bring some value, and you then build some relatability, and then people are good to go, and they will purchase your product or your new opportunity and then the product, right? So yeah, that's it for the video. Inside the next video, we will talk about the first strategy that you can use to make money with Instagram. It's a CC strategy. And yeah, if you have any questions about this, about new opportunities, about selling something through emotions, make sure to sign up for to register for the next live call. The button is here inside, or the registration link is inside the VIP program, and I will then see inside the live call, and we can then talk about like selling stuff through emotions and through logic and the new opportunity and all that good stuff in detail, okay? So yeah, that's it for the video, and I will see you inside the next